Good morning, everybody. We are here. 38 degrees outside. It is sunny, but it's a little chilly out there today. Nonetheless, we got Dark Bro Brilly first in the chat. F-I-R-S-T. Second is Guy Stonify. Dark Bro Nick F. Good morning to you. Dark Bro Frank. Moji. Dark Bro Mina. How you doing? Dark Bro Moji. Stoker Ace. How you doing? Stroker Ace, not Stoker Ace. CD Wit. We've got Moji. CD Wit. John J. CD Wit. Rich Pat. Rich O. Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. We got Dark Bro Brilly, Dilly, gonna... I don't even know what that is. It's just a little box, man. What is the thing? It doesn't even show it on my screen. It's just a little square. This stream, because I'm feeling silly. Gosh, I love it, Pat. Oh, that tastes so good. That tastes so good. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for being versed. And thank you very much for the super chat, Pat. Good day, rich afternoon, bros and broettes. What's going on, Tony D? Pat, how you doing, man? We've got Pat, Pika Power. Good morning to you, Pika. Moji, Pat, Tony D, Dark Bro, John J, Tony D, Rich O, Pat, Dark Bro, Vo2, how you doing? We've got Pat, Pika. Let's check the market out, see what the market's got going on today, guys. AMC sitting in the top left-hand side of the screen, down 2.48% today. $5.70. Man, Shiba Inu coin off the screen, sitting at $10.79 right now. GameStop, $17.83 at the moment. Bitcoin down to $21,400, falling through this level of intermediary support right there. The major level of support is going to come at 21.1, but we got a little level at 21.4, and it is breaking down right now. Not good news for anything I'm holding long. Good news for that VRA short, I would imagine. But not very good news for anything that we are long right now, as Bitcoin is falling all morning. We've got the NASDAQ sitting lower today, 0.06% down. GameStop, $17.82. Remember to watch out for the $15 price point on GameStop. Major level of support there. Pure Therapeutics, my gosh, dude, this has got no volume. $2.87. AMC, $5.68. Ethereum, $15.20. Shiba, $10.80. Dogecoin, 7.1 cents. Bitcoin, $21,440 right now. Sundial sitting at $1.67. Mullen Auto, 19 cents, bouncing off that 18.5 cent level. CEI, no volume here as well, $1.67. The SPY sitting at $3.98 right now, coming down. BBIG, 45.5 cents. Highcraft Mining, 33 cents flat. Netflix sitting at $303.97. The QQQ, $2.98. And Ape sitting at $1.80. Barcoding like crazy right now. Not too much going on there. We're going to watch 21,003, 21,004. Is 21,001 going to be broken on Bitcoin? We will find out. John J, La Pika Pika, Johnny J. Tony D, what's going on, man? We got Vo2, how you doing? Yes, looks like a caveman with a club. That little square thing? Caveman with a club. Troll emoji. I see the troll emoji there. Is that the one you sent in the thing? I didn't see that in the... For some reason, I didn't send in the super chat. But that troll emoji shows up fine right there, though. Finally made it live. Juan P, glad to have you in the live. What is it? How do you say welcome in Spanish? I don't even know, man. I don't know. Forget it now. Juan, glad to have you, man. We are one less, though. We need one more, not one less. The trolls are out today. Pick a power. The trolls be rolling. I like it. What do you think the crypto market will look like later this year? Do we have a chance to recover? Vo2, I believe, yes. We have a chance to recover, but I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know if we recover this year. I really don't know if we recover this year, man. These guys in the government, they're really slow. And I really think that this is going to be an entire year of crypto regulation, the cryptocurrency market essentially finding itself, okay? Now, whether it finds itself completely banned or it finds itself embraced, this is going to be a year of crypto finding itself. I guess if it finds itself embraced this year, then yes, we will absolutely recover. But if it finds itself banned this year, no, we're not going to recover. We're actually going to be getting some much better buying opportunities. on really cheap cryptocurrencies if it finds itself banned in the United States. Exactly how it is today. Flat, man. Clay, with all the volatility the past 6 months, when you see Shiba Inu 6 months ago, 1053 versus today, 1094, with all the doom and gloom, Shiba has done pretty well. That's a top crypto positive. Yeah, John Jay, man, I do completely agree with that. With the collapse of all of these exchanges, with everything sitting the way that it is, with Bitcoin honestly bouncing back up to levels above where the FTX fallout happened, it's just the next thing that we're sitting here waiting on, man. And is the next thing going to be a U.S. ban? Is the next thing going to be a U.S. embrace? Is the next thing going to be Shibarium, move Shiba Inu coin higher? There are so many what ifs when it comes to the next thing in the cryptocurrency market that despite everything that has taken place, I really do think that it's holding its ground pretty well, especially after such a massive 2021 rally. You got to remember, dude, that was on the back of a bunch of free stimulus money that was, despite economic lockdowns, man, people imprisoned in their own homes. That was despite people being forced out of their jobs. That was despite so many things that we ran, and we still maintained some decent levels above the 2020 and 2019 lows. So I really don't think we're doing that bad, dude. Next major bull run will be the second quarter of 2024. Hold and stack this year. CD Witt, I like it, man. Tony D says, did you hear Powell's speech on crypto? Talking about we need regulation in crypto, but not mentioning regulating exchanges, only crypto. Doesn't make any sense. Yeah, Tony D. So I didn't listen to the entire speech. I did read articles and some headlines on it. So I don't know exactly everything that he said, but yeah, dude, I really think that we need to regulate the exchanges, okay? They want to regulate crypto, and they want to regulate all of the crypto projects because they understand that's where the trillion-dollar valuations are going to be. They want to own the crypto projects. They don't necessarily want to own the exchanges that are doing hundreds of millions, potentially billions of dollars in volume one day in revenue. They want to regulate the trillion-dollar projects and make sure that that's what they own as opposed to owning the exchanges there. So they're definitely coming for stable coins. I would agree with that. A lot of my, don't even know where that went, dude. A lot of my fellow army guys in here today. Jonathan, what's going on, man? Do you believe the crypto market would do better with a Republican-controlled House, Senate, and presidency? Gary, it does seem like, they are a little bit more embracing towards the cryptocurrency market and the innovation there. So, just on a strictly surface level, I would say yes, I do believe that. But I really, dude, I think either side of the government, I think either side wants that control. And I don't think that either side is going to let the fiat die. And if they did believe that the fiat would die because of crypto, then, my answer would be no. But on a surface level, I would say yes. Made bank yesterday, so I'm happy. I'm one happy guy right now. Very nice, Dark Bro. Brilly, man. Thoughts on percentage-wise on USTC getting repegged? Seems like a 50-50 to me, unless the SEC interferes. Rich, I'm going to be honest with you. I think it's less than a 50-50 chance. I think the project's going to be way too hard to give it a 50-50 chance for this ziggurat approach to work. Now, I would say it's 100% chance if people really wanted a stable coin, reverse split USTC. You know what I mean? Like, I really don't care. If you guys are invested in USTC, I know you want it, but I don't own any USTC. So you got to make the decision. If a stable coin or if USTC pegged to $1 is paramount to Terra Luna Classic success, you got to do whatever it takes to get there. It'd be nice if we can create something 50x in value, but if you can just reverse split it, 1 for 50, and get it back to $1, and then turn on your algorithm or whatever to peg it to that dollar, there, Gary, okay, they didn't make any money, they didn't lose any money whatsoever, so everybody in USTC is the same, but massive wealth can be generated for Terra Luna Classic if the community is of the understanding and of the consensus that a stable coin is paramount to success. So I think it's a lot better chance of just, doing like 50x, man, on a ziggurat approach to me and getting all the exchanges on board to manipulate the price and stuff. I feel like that's going to be way too hard, but that's just me. Snowing here too, Sky. It is not snowing here. 38 degrees and sunny out right now. Pika, you guys live in a major snow area. Let's see. Hey, man, do you think it's going to be lower on the entire crypto market? Been a while. Working a lot lately. Nelson Channel. I do think that, yes, with all of the uncertainty ahead, the cryptocurrency market will be going lower. This winter has been an eternity. Pika, it's crazy because the winter here has not been extremely mild. We've had like 1 or 2 major snows when normally, we can get bombarded here. And I feel like it's been very, very mild. Bro, Silvergate going down in flames. Balls in holes. Silvergate's bouncing back a little bit today, sitting at $3.87, touching $4.15 a minute ago, trying to bounce off the intraday lows here. And yes, so Silvergate announced yesterday, if you guys did not know, Silvergate announced yesterday that they're going to be liquidating the Silvergate Bank. They're just shutting it down. They're winding it down. And I do not know what all Silvergate Capital, which is what SI is, I don't know what all Silvergate Capital does. Silvergate Bank is winding down. Silvergate Capital should continue to move forward. Matthew! Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Matthew, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love that, dude. Hey, you. Hopefully you're doing good today. Lunch on Dark Bro, ladies and gentlemen. He wants to see how to eat a hot dog. After you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. And when you're done eating the hot dog, you gotta have a little snack, man. You take the banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Eye contact. And just because it's fun. Yes, and you'll wash it down with some authorized hydration. Thank you very much for the super chat and that wonderful lunch, Patrick. Wonderful lunch on Dark Bro. Absolutely love it, man. Oh, I do want to say today, very good chance tomorrow. I may not go live tomorrow. Not exactly sure what the schedule is going to look like, but another day to hang out with Pap tomorrow. So I'm going to be hanging out with my grandpa tomorrow, and very good chance that I don't go live in the morning, and because I don't know how long we're going to be hanging out, very good chance that afternoon may not be there as well. So I did just want to let you guys know that in advance. I'll for sure, throw something in the Discord tomorrow morning or whatever when I figure it out for sure. But yeah, I did want to let you guys know, very good chance that tomorrow is going to be the weekend starting early for the live stream, because I'm going to be hanging out with Pap basically, I think, all day tomorrow. Any feelings on Mullen stock? Yes, happy feet. So I really don't know what Mullen Auto does, but for some reason, their stock is plagued, man. I really don't know why it is beaten down so far in price. If they continue diluting, if it's like a threat of dilution, I have no idea why an electric vehicle company that supposedly has cars is beaten down so bad. We've got a couple guys in here that are invested in Mullen Auto, and they know more because I'm not invested in it. So they know more about it than I do. But I really don't. I don't get it, dude. It's almost like their stock is plagued. They just said on Fox News, Silverbank will give everyone 100 back their money. Yeah, so Richard, it is true, right? Not the stock, okay? Not investors, but the stock, or the bank. Yes, the bank. It was a legitimate bank, right? And in this run on the bank, it's not like they were out investing people's money that like cryptocurrency exchanges were acting. The cryptocurrency bankers or depositors on that bank, of course, they're FDIC insured up to $250,000 and all of that stuff. But yeah, they should expect their money back, right? The bank is winding down. So that banking arm of Silvergate Capital is basically just shutting down. The deposits in Silverbank or Silvergate Bank, those are going to be received back. But I want you to make sure it's not the stock. Like if you bought the stock at $10, you know, they're not going to give you $10 for the stock. Outdoor smile. Yeah, happy feet. We can look at it in a second, please. Buy 1 billion glowstone with this $2. Does $2 really get you a billion glowstone? Is glowstone rolling right now? I got to look at glowstone, man. I got to look. Wrong one. This one. What's glowstone doing? Any dips? Any dips? No dips whatsoever. It keeps on with the rips. Dips? No. Rips? Yes. Glowstone sitting at 15.16, up 2% right now. $109,000 market cap. Very nice. Bear market coming back. The bear market is coming back. Pika! It's okay. We're going to be rich. Thanks to Clay's not financial advice entertainment. Pika? You are queen of the chat, Pika. You are queen of the chat. Thank you very much. I will continue to do non-financial advice. This is not financial advice entertainment. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Ape Father, maybe. Shout out to you, man. If you guys have not seen the Ape Father's videos, well, that dude is just eating a bunch of stuff now. He just posted a video of himself eating a double cheeseburger at McDonald's. He just loves eating. I love the fact that that guy loves eating so much. It's ridiculous. So yeah, make sure to check out Ape Father's videos as well. Peek about it. Thank you very much for the super chat. And we are all, listen guys, it's very easy, okay? The only thing that you actually have to do to be rich, I'm going to let you guys know the secret right now. The only thing that you actually have to do, show back up tomorrow. That's it. That is the only game. See, here's the thing. Whether you're rich tomorrow or you're rich in a week, a year, decade, or whatever, if you continue to show up and continue to play the game, the bear markets disappear and the bull markets begin. Every single time in history, they have done that. Now, certain individual stocks, individual cryptocurrencies, those will die out. But if you keep a diversified portfolio and everything isn't some ridiculous lottery ticket play, you know, you will make it. Your projects will 5, 10, 20, 50x over time, and you will be rich. You will make some money. You just have to show up. Now, I know, dude, when you get punched in the gut, and so, I own some shares of Silvergate, right? Silvergate got ripped over the last couple of weeks. When you get punched in the gut, it makes you want to stop. It makes you want to, I can't take this anymore. But you got to show up. If you show up tomorrow, that is the only thing that you need to do. And when you do that, you are basically guaranteed success. If the extension is granted, Mullen supposedly has until September to reach the $1 mark to remain listed on the NASDAQ. Gotcha. Pat, have they had an extension before? Okay, or Mullen is supposedly reverse splitting by then. Gotcha. If they have not had an extension before, I can almost guarantee that they get an extension. If they have had one before, it might be difficult for them to get one. So, do you know if they've had one before? Is March 11th Clay's birthday? No, it is not. It is May 26th. So we can celebrate my birthday on May 26th. Clay, what do you think about the Rivian Automotive? That's another one, Skystonify. I know that Rivian has been getting Riptian over the last, year and a half, too. So if we come out here, we look at let's look at the weekly. If you look at the weekly, man, you can see that basically since inception, end of 2021, they released, they IPO'd the day, basically the day the bear market began, and they have done nothing but come down since. Now, as far as what they are doing, generating revenue, they're sitting on a massive amount of cash, guys. They got $13 billion in cash, okay? They also have a $13 billion market cap. So that's decent market cap. What do their debts look like, though? So yeah, they had a decent book value at this point. Total liabilities only $3.69 billion, and they're sitting on $13 billion cash. If they continue to fall, man, if they got enough cash to pay off all of their liabilities, well, I think it's a pretty safe investment at that point. If you're literally buying every dollar that they own one for one, I don't think you can go too wrong with that. But yeah, dude, they got a lot of equity. Their book value is pretty decent right now. Their book value is sitting at $14.90, and the price is $14.90. So that doesn't seem too concerning there. But hey, man, bear markets like this, they create value buying opportunities. And if Rivian continues to get beaten down in price, and they're sitting on $1 billion valuation with $13 billion in cash, it's kind of like a no-brainer, man. Get involved at that point, right? Let's see. I'm skeptical. Me too. If Peak is skeptical, I don't even know what we're skeptical about, but I am skeptical too. Mullen. Company has until September 5th, 2023 to cure the minimum bid price. Deficiency Globe Wire News, March 8th, 2023. Gotcha. Gorilla Invictus. Very good, man. Yeah, Farmy dealt with some of that stuff. You know how they dealt with it? A reverse split. And look where they are now, right back down below $1 after a 25, I believe, for one reverse split. Diversity in economics for me: gold, silver, ISO 20022 compliant crypto. There you go, Crypto McDuck. Patrick, full disclosure, not financial advice. Felt like NSYNC there. Not financial advice. Facts, Patrick. Not financial advice. Since the people of the internet need full disclosures, I think that there's a part of it where it doesn't need to necessarily be expressly delivered, like an express full disclosure that this is not financial advice. I've never held myself out as giving financial advice, and I don't think any reasonable person. And that actually, guys, it does play into some of the reasons why I have no problem eating hot dogs and licking bananas and stuff. Because we can have fun, right? I get that. And I do have a lot of fun. But no reasonable person is going to take that, and even if it does sound like great financial advice, no reasonable person would take financial advice from an idiot dipping and shoving a hot dog on the internet. So that's my express written claim of not being financial advice, is that I have no problem dipping and shoving a hot dog, man. Right? Right. Oh, and I still have a job. Boom! JB employed. I like it. JB, man. See, we knew it was gonna be good, man. We knew it was gonna be good. Not getting fired for that. Don't do it again, but you're not getting fired. JB, we gotta be doing good. I can't give him another Charizard, Pika, and I wouldn't want another Charizard. The Charizard that I have is absolutely magnificent, and I will die with this Charizard, just to let you know. I will say, however, if the house catches on fire and I am not in it, I probably will not go back in the house to get the Charizard. If I am in the house, there's a decent chance, dude. If I got time, I got some stuff that I'll grab. So if the house catches on fire while I'm in it, okay. But if I'm coming home from the store or something and lightning struck my house and it's on fire, I don't want you to think that because I say I'm going to die with this Charizard that I'm going to risk my life by running back into the house simply to save it. That probably won't be the case. So please do not hate me if something like that ever were to take place. Just got full disclosure on that one. I wanted to let you know, Pika. Don't hate me if my house catches on fire and I can't save the Charizard. Sing! I bet this dude's from Fremont, California. Oh, I knew it. Amit Singh from Fremont, California, baby. How's everyone doing? Shiba to the moon. Moon. Gosh, man, this dude, you need your own entrance music, man. When you walk in, you need to, WWE music needs to start playing. You need to get ready. Amit Singh from Fremont, California. Shiba to the moon. We need to get it started, dude. Amit Singh, I love it. Glad to have you in here right now. Been an electric car driving mofo since 2017. Live and die by the Tesla. There's a lot of pros and cons with electric cars. However, I purchased an Audi e-tron GT, which they bought back because it blew up. Holy crap, dude. Nobody wants their car to blow up. Yeah, I'm not, John Jay, I don't know where you're from. I'm not to the point right now where I would want to drive an electric car. Now, I don't go a terrible amount of places, so it would still be okay. But I really don't know if, and I could be completely wrong, because I do see some Teslas driving around places. I could be completely wrong. But I'm not some dude that's shopping at Earth Fair, and that's really only one of the only places I know that allows you to charge your electric vehicle. So I could be completely wrong. There might be a lot of chargers around here, but I just don't know about that right yet. So I'm not one of those electric vehicle driving guys. Charizard is immune to fire. JB, this is true. And actually that might be even cooler. If you had like, if it got fire damaged, but the fire damage was where it's actually breathing its fire. Now that would be like he's, breathing his fire out right there. That would be sweet. That might actually be worth more. Dude ran into his house to save a Charizard, and the fire became real. Sing! Thank you very much for the good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Sing Amit, ladies and gentlemen. Amit Singh from Fremont, California. Glad to have you in here, and thank you very much for the super chat, man. Clay, 100% safety first. Well, I don't know about... It's like 90% safety first, Pika. 90... Like, if I was in the house, okay, and the fire's, like, over there, that's not really going to be concerning to me. So 90% safety first. I'm not going to walk out of the house like, oh, okay, the house is on fire. Let's just walk out, right? No, man, I'll roll in here and grab it and run, but... Yeah. Amit Singh from Fremont, California. Send you a super chat, bro. Sing. Amit Singh. Thank you very much for the super chat. I love it, dude, and I love the fact that you've got your announcement. Let's see. I've got my eyes on the Kia EVs. They're slick. I've actually not seen a Kia electric vehicle yet, man. Kansas City, home of the Super Bowl champions. Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Red Kingdom. Very nice, John Jay. Very nice. Yeah, dude. Oh, I imagine, like, bigger cities probably have a bunch of chargers that I don't know about. Hey bro, are you following the new scam called Bitcoin Ordinals? What is this, and will it be the new thing of the season? Rabio, actually, I do not know what it is. I'm not following it, so very sorry on that one. I do not know what it is, so I unfortunately can't tell you what it is. Anybody else doing it? Paul Swap, chest every day. Let's check out Paul Swap, because Paul Swap is something that I'm interested in. And if you're interested in it, let's get started. Paul Swap sitting at 5,700 points per coin right now. Paul Swap down a little bit on the day. It is sitting at 5,700 points per coin, down 12% on the day right now. $57 million market cap. Decent level of support though, guys. If you're looking at this monthly graph here, you can see the support in this area here, and that's exactly where we are right now. Now, we might have some at the 5,000 level or 500 level or 50 level or whatever you want to call it here. But, dude, I'm going to eat some up if it ever drops back down this low. I'm going to eat some up. You remember, Shiba Inu coin came out in August. It went up. And then by January, the other J month, by January, it was basically down to, it was well below $1 million market cap, okay? And from there, it shot up millions of percent. So if Paul has a pretty difficult time, I don't think it's going to be the end of the road for Paul. It has been listed on a very large amount of centralized exchanges. It is the old school Shiba Inu coin team, minus Satoshi. So I really do think that you've got some potential in Paul Swap there. Let's see. Yeah, Mo, he grabs the crown I accidentally stole back when I was in high school. Over than a $6,000, 6K PSA 10 Charizard. It serves better purposes here with Clay. No, not going to happen, actually. Not going to happen. I'll grab both of them. I'm gonna grab everything that Pika sent me. And listen, this is still gonna be cool, but you're gonna have to listen. I don't know if I'll grab this silver. Okay, Outdoor Smile. If this melts back down, I'll send you the melted silver, and then you're gonna have to reprint this, dude, because I don't have this little stamp or however it was made. You're gonna have to give me another. I'll send you the silver back. We can reprint it, and you can get me some of the mutiny metals. From the melted metal, mutiny metal, man, and we'll be good with that one. But the other stuff, I'm gonna have to save this little Shiba Inu coin right here for sure. Don't forget, guys. I'm gonna have to run down there. I got these Pikas. I got these Pikachus right here. I'm gonna have to save those bad. There's just some stuff I gotta save, you know. Some stuff you gotta save. You gotta do what you gotta do. Mosif, you can relax now. I'm here, J Bones, baby, in the house. Loving it, J Bones. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, "Hey, make sure to take your bob to the rust bucket tomorrow if you get a chance." I can guarantee. All right, so guys, I don't need to go. I'm not gonna go into a bunch of detail about, you know, like family matters and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be hanging out with Pap tomorrow, and I can guarantee you, we go to breakfast. Guarantee we go to breakfast. I guarantee we go to breakfast. Same place we always go to breakfast. And I guarantee you, I get the same exact thing that I always get, and I guarantee that he gets the same exact thing that he always gets, and it's gonna be good. So yes, it is. It's going to be a good one tomorrow morning, but I can almost guarantee when he wakes up and I'm over there hanging out, hey, you want to go to breakfast? It's like, yeah, let's go to breakfast. I can guarantee that's how it goes tomorrow. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the amazing super chat. Absolutely love that. With some authorized hydration. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, Patrick. Thank you so much for that. Absolutely love it. My goodness. And it's going to be good. I thought about it, too, because I love going to breakfast with that dude. I thought about, you know, throwing a picture of us eating in the Discord or something, but I don't want to post any pictures or videos or anything of anybody other than myself. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to worry about other people being like, oh, well, shoot, you know, I didn't want you to post a picture of me or anything like that. So, just know that tomorrow morning, if I'm not live, I am probably either just finishing up eating breakfast or still at the restaurant. No, we won't be there at noon. I'll have finished eating breakfast by then. But yeah, it's almost guaranteed to happen. Patrick, thank you again. I second that, John J. Long live the Red Kingdom. Patrick, man, thank you again for the super chat, Pat, man. Incredible. With some more authorized hydration. Oh, that is so good. And guys, I want to let you know, okay? Pika is making some amazing stickers. I can see these stickers in the Discord here. She's got some sick water bottles, some hydration bros going on in there, looking very good. Seeing all of that. What's that? A pickle? A Pika pickle? Oh, I like the Pika pickle. I may open it up to throw some Streamlabs super stickers on there instead of just YouTube super stickers. And if you do that, I believe it's going to bring, you know, like a picture of the sticker up on the screen and stuff. So PK can have her stickers up on the screen, and you guys can send some authorized hydration in the form of something other than just a little emoji if you would like. But I think we might be opening that up next weekend or next week or something. Keep an eye out for it if you want to. What's your opinion on Doge Swap? Russell, man, I don't know anything about Doge Swap. We can look at that in 2 seconds after I say 50 shades. Oh my gosh. Sarah Destet, 50 Shades of Green. What is going on? And Pika says, for the collection bucket, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a King Collection bucket going on right now. Thank you very much, Pika, for the super chat. Absolutely love it. 220 is looking very good. How does the whole breakfast thing go again? 1776, you go out there, you eat breakfast, and then you come home afterwards. Hoy the Unicorn is going to take a while to detail. Pika, I don't know how big the stickers are, or will be. So I don't know how much detail you should necessarily be worried about. But please, I beg of you, do not put any stress on completing any stickers for me or anybody else. If you're chilling at home and you're not doing anything and TV is boring and you want to try and make a sticker, perfect. But please do not put any stress on any sticker or anything for that matter. That is the last thing that I would ever want anybody to do in their life, is stress about anything that is related to me. So please do not worry about details, timelines, anything like that. Have some fun with it. Only do it if you're bored out of your mind and you want to sit there and have some fun. You know what I mean? So just like, please don't worry about anything in terms of making these things. No, Clay bro, you still have to show up tomorrow after breakfast with your grandfather, not father, grandfather. I could, but I don't know. I'm probably going to be hanging out with him all day. It's not like we're just going to breakfast, so I'm probably going to be hanging out all day. And I wouldn't want to go live, like if we're hanging out, I don't want to be rude. Be like, well, no, you sit down here, Pap. I'm going to go live for an hour. You got to calm down. I mean, I could, but I don't know if I will. If Claybro does feet OnlyFans and makes millions, can Pudgy get 0.01% royalties just for the suggestion asking for Pudgy? Sure, man, because I don't have any plans on doing feet OnlyFans. I do not plan on doing any of that. It is most likely never going to happen. Bitcoin. Guys, I want to know what you guys honestly think, okay? Does Bitcoin break down through this line today? I think yes, but it's bounced off of it every time. I think yes, though. Somehow the ratios are skewed in favor of Uncle Sam for IRS standards. Oh, the ratios are always... Dude, you talk about... People are like, oh, crypto is gambling. You know what is gambling? Living. Like working. Going to work is a gamble. After you pay your property taxes, after you pay your sales taxes, after you pay your federal income, your state income, your city income, whatever else, your social security tax, after you pay all of those taxes, you are down below that 51 or 50%, you're down below that 50% threshold. You are guaranteed to lose because of the IRS and Uncle Sam. The same way when you go to the casino and when you have the best odds ever at a 49% hit rate on roulette, as long as you're not counting cards in poker or blackjack, then in bringing your odds above that 51% threshold, you are guaranteed to lose. Going to the casino, you are guaranteed to lose with life. Life is a gamble. The IRS, Uncle Sam, Big Brother, they're going to take it all. It's ridiculous. Feet OnlyFans. Oh, man. No, dude. Feet OnlyFans is not going to happen. But, of course, for $20 a month, we can make it happen. So anybody, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Oh my god, you guys are sick freaks. I hope my mom's not watching right now. Mom, I promise I'm not posting pictures of my feet on the internet. Mom will be like, why? What do you mean, why? Mom, it's just weird. It's just your feet. You go outside. Yeah, but I'm always wearing socks. Ooh, socks OnlyFans. If you guys are into socks OnlyFans, we can make socks OnlyFans happen. Feet OnlyFans, you guys are freaking weird, man. I don't know about you on that. I'm gonna call it like it is, okay? You're weird. No, dude. Socks, however, yeah, we could do that all day long. Gonna break through eventually. Moji, I agree with you. Tested this line already 3 times in the last hour. Boom, boom, boom. Does it break down now or no? I don't know, but I do believe it's going to break down through this line. Bitcoin drops this weekend with lower, slower market volume. Crypto McDuck, that makes more sense, man. True talk, life is gambling. Living is gambling. Dude, gosh. Onwuka Vincent Ifiani. It is, man. It is. It's a tough name, dude. Living is gambling, dude. It really is. The odds are in the favor of everybody else. Bitcoin is showing no sign of a bottom yet. This is painful. At least I have a short position to ease the pain a bit. Yeah, I got a short position on VRA right now. Bitcoin falls, VRA falls. And actually, VRA is at a massive, massive level of support. If VRA falls through this level of support at like 0055, I really think it's going to fall hard. Finance, etc. Oh, John Jay says, I paid money in 2018 for a Tesla truck. Tesla has had my money since. It's just like Shibarium. I got nothing. Dang, dude. You can't even get a refund on your down payment or anything, John Jay? That's crazy, man, that it's been that long. If Binance, etc. could get the price of USTC up, would that help pay some of the debt and make it easier to repay? Paul, probably yes. Okay, I don't know as much about a USTC repeg as somebody like Duncan knows. But yes, I would imagine the closer that it is to that dollar mark, the easier that it would be to repeg it. Hood peeps need to work. I'm tired of paying other people's way that are able-bodied to work. Moji, I 1 billion% agree with you, man. Honestly, I listen, I don't know who you know that needs assistance and all of that stuff, and some people truly do. I get it, but at the same time, okay, and we're not going to go on some sort of a very large rant right now, but if you're on assistance and you're just living your life, having a great time, and you are able to work, and you've got $600 a month for grocery allowances, you've got your rent being paid on your $1,200 a month house, like if you've got better than people who are going to work every day have, something is askew there. It truly is. Now, dude, if you're hitting the bare minimums, like if you just got enough bread and milk to survive and not die of starvation, you're going to be encouraged to go to work. You are not going to die, okay? Which, let's face it, okay? I don't want people to die just because they can't go to work or they're in a bad position. But, dude, you got to have some sort of self-respect, too, and respect for others to make a go of it. So, Moji, man, I definitely agree with you. Some people do need help. Yes, no problems with that. But man, have some self-respect. Let's see. Oopsie, is there still hope for Shiba? Yeah, on Mooka, man, I definitely think that there's still hope for Shiba Inu coin, especially with Shibarium right around the corner now. The beta is going to be released. Hopefully the beta only lasts a couple of weeks, couple of months, and not a couple of years, because I want to see some massive burns kick in for Shiba Inu coin. Moji prefers chubby fingers. Something happened to Moji? Big boned fingers? I don't even know what's going on with Moji's big fingers. What is happening with Moji's big fingers? I don't know. Moji, you got big fingers. Smiley guy, top of the morning to you, man. Glad to have you in here. Let's see. Moji, did Moji ban somebody or just block them? Like, put him in timeout? What? Rabio Monday, that was an accident. You're good when you're off timeout. You can thank Fat Finger Mo. Rabio! Oh no, Rabio. It was an accident, Rabio. It was an accident. Moji, Fat Finger. You guys almost making me say some very weird things. Moji had an accident. No. Moji accidentally clicked timeout on you. Gosh, man, you gotta be very careful the way you word things around here. You guys are nuts. Let's see. Has Bitcoin to bottom yet? 50% being right. Hey, even a broken clock is right twice a day. That one fit couple. You mean bottomed like total, like 15 to back down below 15,000? I'm honestly going to say no, man, because I'm leaning towards massive regulation and massive, like, uncertainty ahead. I'm honestly going to say no. I don't think that it has bottomed yet, but I'm only basing that on the fact that I think that the SEC and the government here in the U.S. is going to crack down so hard on the cryptocurrency space that they're going to squeeze out a lot of investors. But if they don't have an outright ban come across, they are going to look out for themselves and for the institutions. If Bitcoin, an entire market cap of crypto, drops down to $100 billion valuation and the institutions start buying it up, please do not leave the industry. Guys, you're going to be sitting on the potential for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x gains over the next decade, if that's the case. And I think that they're probably, one of two things is going to happen, guys. They're setting it up for them and their friends, or they could ban it in potential of potential control. So I still think it goes lower, yes. Let's see. What do you think about universal income? I think this is why we are going digital, mate. Listen, this might seem hard for a lot of people to understand, but I don't think that you should make the same amount of money as somebody else, and I also don't think that you should be guaranteed a minimum amount of money. I know it is very difficult to live in some places of the United States. I'm going to use California, for example. California is obscenely expensive. If you can't make it happen in California, that's not bad for you, right? That's bad for California. California is just obscenely expensive. If you're looking at a house that's $600,000, but you put it here in Ohio and it's $60,000, that's not an exaggeration. You can do that all day. Move. Just move. Don't beg for a universal income or hope for a universal income so you can make some nonsense happen in California. Move to Ohio. Yeah, move to Pennsylvania. Move somewhere where the standard of living is still achievable. You know what? You can go get a job, dude, and you can buy a beautiful $300,000 house in basically every place except for New York, California, maybe some places in southern Florida. Basically, the whole West Coast is obscene. But yeah, dude, I am not of the opinion that everybody should be making the same amount of money or everybody should be on a minimum. If it's not working where you're at, dude, Ohio's beautiful. It is, man. It is. And you can definitely make it happen here. Can we change following GameStop? Maybe replace it with AI. The stock AI has been doing very well over the last couple of weeks, John Jay. And, hey, I'm not opposed to moving GameStop off the chart here and moving it to something else, and making it a floater or making it anything you guys want. I'm really not. Pull for GME replacement. LUNC, Bone, Matic, or Glowstone. It would have to be, GME down at the bottom right would have to be replaced with something that is in Webull. Unfortunately, I can't replace it. Technically, no, I don't want to do it. I mean, technically, I could make this, smaller or something and put it down, right behind me and still keep Webull up there. But that would just look weird. If you want to replace Bone with something, or want to replace GameStop with something that's on Webull. Right? Too many train wrecks. Oh, geez. There's only been 2 death-defying train wrecks in the last month. It's not that bad, man. They've only tried to kill us twice here. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the super chat. I love my Gosling 15 mile per gallon truck V8, baby. Roulette wheel. 15 miles per gallon. I have not seen 15 miles per gallon in a very, 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 very long time. I like my Kia Forte, man. 37 and I don't even try. 37 miles per gallon and I'm not even trying to do anything. Tropic Thunder reference. Dude, Tropic Thunder was actually a good movie. I saw Tropic Thunder at the drive-in. I was 15 years ago? It was a very long time ago. It would not be fair to those who work harder, put forth more effort, and I 100% agree with you, Rich. 100% agree. Speaking of Uncle Sam, I'm glad I don't actually have an Uncle Sam. With USD maybe reaching the end of its dominance, the CBDC will be Uncle Sam's trick to dominate the Bitcoin era. People will ditch other stable coins. Yeah, Robbio, they will, man. If the United States comes out with one, this is the safest. people will flock to the CBDC, man. They really will. John J. We got that banana. Oh, yes. Licking and sticking. Licking and sticking. All the crypto will not give up until there's no GBTC grayscale discount or premium to the net asset value of negative 34% for March 8th, 2023. Yeah. So Bitcoin, what you're saying is Bitcoin will not go up. I thought you said give up there. Yeah, I agree, but I don't know if GBTC is going to rise in value to meet that net asset, or if Bitcoin is going to fall in value. So I don't know which one it's going to be. Those two there should equal out and get some equilibrium. The problem with GBTC over the last couple of months has been that proof of reserves, right? That a lot of exchanges and a lot of trusts like that have been going through. So I do think that it will level back out, whether Bitcoin goes down or GBTC goes up, but I do think it will. Just imagine the tip of Mo's flipper is out there somewhere causing havoc in another community chat. What is happening right now? The tip of Mo's flipper? The tip of Mo's flipper is causing havoc in another community chat? I'm imagining it, man, and I'm imagining the tip of Mo's flipper, like literally running around in communities, causing havoc, like some little cartoon drawing of the tip of Mo's flipper going and causing havoc out there. It truly is, man. It truly is. That's what I'm imagining in my head. So, Pika, thank you very much for the visual. If you reward people for doing nothing, then it becomes an ableist society, and we don't need any more of that. Dark Bro, I agree with you on that one as well. Michael! Thank you for the member chat. Michael says, Silvergate, miles per gallon, charts, stonks, calls, puts, Forex reserves, banks. Nobody cares! But you know what they do care about? Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Baby, that is absolutely what they care about. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game, man. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat, or the member chat. Absolutely love that, and thank you very much for having that green name for 7 stinking months, dude. Looking beautiful right now. Very nice, and to all of the green names, thank you guys very much for everybody keeping a green name out there. Paul Swap. You guys, anybody buying more Paul Swap? Let me know. I'm watching this one. And because it ran so fast, I do think that it can run back down, but I'm definitely keeping my eyes on that one there. VRA. I want to see where this is at with Bitcoin falling the way that it is. 5,397, not too bad there. One day, 056 to 0054, yeah, dipping back down a little bit. 5.3 lows. But yeah, guys, if you look at this over the last, let's look at 3 months. If it falls through this level that it's at right now, support. If it breaks it, I really don't think that it's going to be impossible to retest some of these lows down here at 002, which is why I'm short. Bitcoin is falling right now. This has been coming off some highs and doing nothing but declining over the last, I don't know, it's about a month now. Declining over the last month, right at this level of support on VRA. Tapping today. Could fall through and see some lower lows there. We'll see if it happens. I don't know. 54.19 on Verasity at the moment, but Paul is one that I am looking to potentially get in and see if they can make happen what they made happen with Shiba Inu coin. It's just it went on a very wild ride here very quickly, busting some like 20, 30, 40x gains in a 2-week period. So keeping our eyes on those two right there. Probably 250, 500 million, something. I'm going to buy some later today. Paul, buying some later. Very nice, Dark Bro. Feet only reference. You guys love the feet, don't you? Yes, you do. Clay, you mentioned WWE earlier. Are you following it? No, man. Unfortunately, I do not follow the WWE. I just mentioned it earlier because I know when those guys come out that they've got their entrance music and all that stuff. But nah, I don't follow it. Paul Swap getting new listing tomorrow, Clay. Yeah, you're a D, man. Call Swap is getting listed like crazy lately. It just keeps getting listed and listed and listed and listed. Seems like every day they're getting a new listing somewhere. Tim, what's going on, Tim? Glad to have you in here, man. Hello, everybody. Tim, not at work? Usually you don't come in. This is for Tim's dogs. Is Tim at home right now? Nobody knows. Tim, thank you very much for being in here. Emoji, thank you very much for the super chat. And hopefully Tim is at home, and hopefully his dogs liked it. I'm at the day job. Ah, man. Well, he meant D-A-W-G-S. He's talking about your friends, your dogs. Yeah, he did. He said D-A-W-G-S. He's talking about your friends, man. He's talking about your friends. Hopefully, you don't have headphones in, and everybody heard Tim's dogs. Damn, Tim, do you work with people, man? Do they hear that? I hope so. I really do. Hold on your volume. Rich, you like that King Turkey? I know you do. Pika needs her own super sticker. Yes, Pika does need her own super sticker, man. Like just a beautiful Queen Pikachu or something. I think does Pika have to make her own? Who's going to make Pika's sticker? Does Pika make her own? I don't even know now. It's ridiculous. Tony, yeah, we know that Tony D's got the live stream playing there. Tony D's dogs heard it. They're like, Tony, you idiot, man. I don't know why you got this guy on live stream right now. Shout out to all of Tony D's friends. You guys enjoying your day, and thank you very much for not killing Tony D. He's a good guy. We appreciate him. And we're glad you're his friends, because he needs them. When, Simon Inu. I don't know, man. Where is Simon Inu? Where is Simon Inu? I haven't seen Simon in a minute, man. When Mr. Simon? Exactly right, Moji. Where's Mr. Simon at? I'm wearing headphones. Oh, yeah. Rip to you, dude. I imagine King Turkey on headphones is like somebody blowing into a stethoscope or cracking you with a stethoscope, dude. Clapping right into it. It's got to be rough. Oh, we just heard you do your King Turkey from the other room and shouted, "What the heck was that?" Dude, I'm driving all the dogs crazy. Now, that's what I'm talking about, Sarah. That's that 50 Shades of Green. All the dogs are going wild right now. I like it. WWE is the best sport. There you go, roulette wheel. I have not watched any wrestling in, dude, it's probably been 2 decades since I've watched wrestling. When Pika gets a sticker, yet she still have to make it by herself. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Robbio. Does Pika have to make her own sticker? I hope not. Robbio, yeah, I want someone, like, I mean, she's going to take a lot of care and make a very good sticker, but I just hope that she doesn't have to make her own. You know, somebody needs to step up, Robbio. Somebody with a little graphic design skill. JB. Somebody out there needs to help Pika power out. And just make a beautiful little Pikachu queen. And then we can make it a sticker for Queen Pika. Let's see. Sarah, you're welcome. Emoji, thank you. Sincerely. It makes sure that everybody is paying attention and everybody knows that the live stream is going on right now. If you don't know about King Turkey yet, well, now you do. Now you do. Let's see, guys, a little recap before we end the stream here, because it is almost 1 o'clock. AMC sitting at 571, literally doing nothing all morning. Shiba Inu coin 1083, sitting sideways all morning. GameStop $18, sideways all morning. Bitcoin literally sitting right here at this $21,400 line all morning. Not able to break down, not able to break back up. NASDAQ sitting right here at 20% loss all morning. Biora down, AMC down, Ethereum, Shiba, Doge, Bitcoin, Sundial, literally nothing moving in any direction all morning long. CEI sideways, the SPY sideways, BBIG sideways, Highcroft sideways, Netflix sideways, QQQ sideways, and even Ape sitting sideways all morning long. We need ourselves a catalyst. Later, broski's got to head into town. I do graphic design too. If you need a backup, Pika, well, Pika needs a sticker, Dark Bro. Dark Brilly. Pika needs a sticker. After inventing King Turkey, I now know how Oppenheimer felt after inventing the atomic bomb. I have Oh, no. You're bringing us all together, Tim. You're bringing us all together, because I'm going to let you know right now. Before you sent a King Turkey, I had never in my life tried to make a turkey noise. Not once in my life did I try to make a turkey noise. I didn't even know what I was capable of. But you brought out the best in me. So, Tim, thank you for showing me something that I did not even know that I could do. And I think everybody else will say thank you as well. Because everybody loves the king turkey, man. I didn't even know it was possible. I don't even know if it really sounds like a turkey. But I'm going to keep going with it. When island is my new mantra. Crypto McDuck. Soon, man. You can buy a small island. With all the gaps continue as well. Heck yeah, everything is down. We're all poor now. I don't want to be poor. For real, though, it wouldn't be fair to everyone else. We're all bros, baby. We are all bros. We are all bros. Yes, it's true. But everybody likes a queen picker. Later, bros and broettes. Boom! Who let the turkeys out? Who? Who let the turkeys out? Who? I gotta go after that one. Oh my gosh. Outdoor smile. See you later, man. We're gonna get the shout outs, guys. It's past 1 o'clock and now you're getting crazy. Oh boy, we're gonna be back this afternoon with the live stream, man. Loving it. I'll see you guys this afternoon. We're doing the shout outs now, so get your name in the chat, guys. Tim, man, see you later. Robio, Crypto McDuck, John J, Moji, Richo, Robio, Pika Power, Moji, Tony D, Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji, let's go. I honestly, dude, I wouldn't want to kill a turkey. I really wouldn't. I could go watch a turkey. I really wouldn't want to kill one, though. Moji, thank you very much for being in here. Richo, see you later. Crypto McDuck, Old Rounder, peace out to you, Robio, J-Bones, Litecoin for life, baby. Let's get it. Forgot my cup. See you later. Sarah Destat, 50 Shades of Green, John J, man, enjoy it. Tony D, John J, Tim, see y'all this afternoon. Heck yeah, Tim, see you later. Pika Power, Sky Stonify, Chris, Robio, Gorilla Invictus, Outdoor Smile, man. If Pat is still in here, Pat, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I still see your stuff at the top of the screen. Thank you very much for that today. Absolutely appreciate it. Budgie, man, enjoy your afternoon. And if you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.